guys, and welcome back to Marielle's Hustle. I know my name changed, but that's because I'm rebranding everything since I'm starting from scratch with Etsy. So guys, today I wanted to teach you, and this applies to both new and current Etsy sellers, how to back up your Etsy store. Now this is going to be so important because if you're someone like me who lost almost 11,000 listings, in addition to that I had 58 or 60,000 free listings, you're gonna cry. I mean, I know I cried when I lost all of mine. So today I'm gonna teach you guys, and moving forward, I will be doing this as well, how to back up all of your listings. So the reason this is important is because people make mistakes, systems fall, and shit happens. Like, shit happens. So today we are gonna go over that. So you're gonna want to type into Google Seller Tools Etsy Backup. It will come up with this program, and it is very simple and very easy to use. All you're going to do is say get started. You're going to link it to your Etsy store and your Google Drive, whichever Google Drive you have with your email account that is attached to Etsy, or a Dropbox file, whichever you prefer. And you are going to be able to schedule automatic or manual backups for however much you want. So you can do it daily, you can do it weekly, you can do it monthly, whatever your preference is. And it will automatically back up into your Dropbox or Google Drive, whichever you choose. Now, in addition to backing up things, it will back up listing images, tags, titles, variations, any information you have. So your descriptions, your everything, like absolutely everything. So it is extremely important. I know because, like I said, I have been through this vicious cycle of losing everything and having to start from scratch, but at the same time it gave me an opportunity to revamp my YouTube account and take you on a journey with me through my newest Etsy shop, which is to be determined. It is coming soon, as I am working with Klemta to get a new LLC. If you guys permanently lost your account, watch my next video, guys, on how to get back on Etsy after being permanently banned. And no, you will not get your original Etsy account back. It is going to be a totally new Etsy account. So I'm going to walk you guys through everything that I do pretty much step by step to show you guys by the end of 2023, it is not just going to be moderately profitable, it will be profitable by the end of 2023. And I will be selling print-on-demand goods, but in a different niche. I currently share another Etsy shop with my boyfriend. We split the work evenly, and we spend a massive amount of time making a lot of different listings. Now, I am going into a different product niche, not the sweatshirts and t-shirts and stuff like that. There will be some of that on mine, but my main focus is actually posters this time, guys. So it is a totally new niche for me, and I'm super excited to get started with it because I have genius ideas. Just through listing optimizations, running sales, using the right tools to find the best products for your store, creating content, all of the above. So definitely make sure to click the like, click the subscribe, comment down below if you've ever lost your Etsy shop and how many listings you've lost, or if you have alternatives to backing up your shop. Because when you get your new shop, you should be able to drop in that CSV file that the backup is creating for you, and your listings will pretty much come back. Now, whichever listings got you removed, you are going to want to delete those. Of course, delete them, because you do not want to go through this again. This is my second iteration of Etsy shops. My first iteration was 3, my second iteration is 2, but if I see massive success, I will probably open up another Etsy shop in a different niche. So I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to click the like, click the subscribe, comment below. Sorry I keep staring at the pop socket and not the camera, but I will try and get better about that. Until next time, guys.